Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Sunday Aseda. Let me start this video by saying congratulations on yesterday. Banker 33, free banker 33. It dropped and dropped in position. My banker carriers, if you're one of the banker carriers or you were lucky to get another banker to use with this, yeah, congratulations to you. Congratulations to all my banker carriers. Don't worry, the plan, we're studying it hard and we will understand it better. But in case it's the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, your surest plug when it comes to all online Ghana Lotto only. If this is the first time you're finding this page, please don't forget to like this video for me, share, and what's more important than comment. Congratulations on free banker 33 as written up for us here yesterday. If you want to reward us, the reward line is displaying on the screen right now. Let's go on this second time working on Sunday Aseda for Sunday Aseda without further ado. The first time this is setting on Sunday Aseda is at event 23, where 81 played in center ball position machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 46 to maintain position. 18 to maintain position. Fourth ball machine, second ball winning. 81 in position to turn to position. Second time working on board in the year 2025 at event number 131, 81 in position, center ball machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 weeks down. 46 to maintain position, fourth ball machine. And 18 would also play second ball winning. 81 should turn from position to position. Please take note, this game is blessing us today. Now, after 18 turn to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks down. 86 to maintain position, fourth ball winning. Play with 19 in machine. On the current as well, after 18 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks down. 86 to maintain fourth ball winning. Play with 64 in position, 19 in machine. That's 68, 19. This one used fourth ball, while this current one used last ball machine. After this game maintained position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single 2 to play first ball winning. 6 weeks from 86 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single 2 should maintain position. That is, it should play first ball winning. After single 2 maintain position, 29 weeks down. After single 2 maintain position, 29 weeks down. Please count it on your own. I don't want the counting to affect this video. You count from 1, 2, 3, and on the 29th week, double 2 to play to last ball machine. After single 2 play to position, I'll count it just once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 weeks down. Double 2 should play last ball machine. After double 2 plays in last ball machine, from double 2 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18 weeks down, 15 should maintain first ball machine. 18 weeks down, it should maintain position. What supplied us 15? On the classification chart, where 86 played, he played with 19. 19 should supply us 15 and play it to position. Take notes. Now on the current as well, from 22 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 weeks down, 15 will place first ball position supplied by 19 in machine. Now from 15 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 will move to machine. On the current, from 15 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 move to machine. Now let's avoid that it is not in position, and you know the culture of this channel, position games only. So guys, if this is the type of content you are looking for online, as a matter of fact, please like this video for me if you like this content. This game I'm posting, I have something better than this for Monday special. If you remember last week, not only Monday special, not only National Free Banker dropped, we also have Free Banker for Monday special that dropped last week. Please help me. I used to get more than this. I need 1,000 likes. I need 1,000 likes. Please make my day, make me happy today by liking this video. If I get 1,000 likes, I'm going to skip a lot of things that would avoid me posting video. All I need is the engagement. Like yesterday, I got 3,000 views. It means a lot of people are not liking. Please like this video for me. Just like this video if you like this plan. Oluwakorewa, this is what you can do for me today. I need 1,000 likes. Please, can you help me get 1,000 likes? And I promise to hit you up with Monday special 2 direct tomorrow. If you can make me hit 1,000 likes, yes, we can do this. So please like this video for me. Let's dive straight back into the video. So from number in position 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Single 2 in position should supply 88 to position. Single 2 in position should multi to last ball position. This is not a mistake. Single 2 in position should multi to position. After it, before it multi to position, it plays 72 to machine. This as well. Before, okay, let's count this one. Let me know. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks. This game dropped in position, but before it dropped, it played 72 to machine. This one too, before it dropped this, it played 72 to machine. What supplied us 72? 18 in position. This game is a classification chart game. 18 in position would supply us 72 if it also multi. Now, after 88 maintain position, last ball last week. Now, 2 direct, 1 line. That's why it's called 2 direct. Almighty 46 in position. It said this game will turn to position. It has turned to position. It said this one will multi to position. It has multi to position. It is telling us 46 in position should counter to single 1. Play with 64. The turning. It should counter and turn. Single 1. 19 in machine that supplied 15 to position. If it also counter, it will give us 64. It is called 2 direct for a reason. Single one 64 to play with double 6, 3 numbers. That is all I have to present in this video. Please, if this video finds your interest, if it interests you, jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run now, like this video for me. If I don't hit enough likes, I won't post Monday special, and not everybody chats with me on WhatsApp. Actually, on WhatsApp yesterday, even on the channel, if you observe, our 2 direct was denied with +1. We had 33-64. He played 33 and 65. Better days ahead. Please help me. What I want you to do for me right now, please like this video, and if you notice I skip something, put it in the comment section. Until I see you guys again, don't forget, if you have any reward for us, maybe we can change this old chart. You can see how far we have filled it. If you actually want something, I want to give us something small for data. The Tigo line displaying on the screen is the Tigo line to send us reward for. Thank you for coming to watch this video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.